What is up, you guys, and welcome back again to Ungeek. My name is Colin, and today we have another tech unboxing care of our friends from Realme Philippines. Grabe talaga tong si Realme. Sunod-sunod. Talagang all out sila. And this is a very special unboxing because this is an entry-level offering from the brand. This is the Realme C11. Now, before we check this out and see what's so special about the C11, if you have not subscribed to this channel, please consider doing so because we're making more and more videos for you guys. If you like tech, if you like gaming, it's all in here. And we're also trying to reach an impossible goal of trying to get 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. I don't know if that's ever going to happen, but if it does, it will be thanks to you guys. So thank you for all the support. We will not be here if it isn't for you guys. So maraming salamat para dun. And for those who haven't yet, please consider clicking the subscribe button and then hit the notification bell beside it so you know when we out a new video. Now that we got that out of the way, let's go on with the unboxing of the Realme C11. Now, before we go on to the formal unboxing proper, I'm really quite curious with the naming convention that they have for the Realme C11. The last C series that we have with Realme was the Realme C3, and they suddenly jumped from 3 to 11. Quite a jump in numbers here. But I think this actually has to do with the original Realme C1. Maybe this is sort of like an update on what a basic phone should be, because this is what it is. If it's not obvious yet, the Realme C11 comes in the typical Realme yellow box, and right behind it, of course, you have key specs that are highlighted. And when you pop the box open, now inside this very thin cardboard compartment is your SIM ejector tool and pamphlets. And I think the warranty card is inside as well. Before we check the phone, let's see what else is inside the box. So typical of Realme, it comes with your charger and your USB connector. This is not a USB Type-C. Guys, please don't expect that here. I'm also not entirely sure if this actually has super fast charging. I feel that it does not, considering that this is a very basic phone. Alright, now that we got that out of the way, let's check the Realme C11 phone proper now. Woo! Oh man, look at that. And this, ladies and gentlemen, is the Realme C11. As far as design is concerned, it's actually really good, considering that this is a phone that's probably below the 5,000 peso line. I was not expecting that they actually put a lot of thought into the design proper of this. Now, the colorway that we got here is called Pepper Gray. They also have another one if you want a more colorful variant called Mint Green. So they're playing with food naming conventions now for this series. This actually kind of reminds me of the Realme 6i. They were playing with food naming conventions there as well. The whole back is rendered in this cool textured non-fingerprint magnet design. I mean, the back is in plastic. However, there is this shiny sort of differentiating texture here, and it has the Realme logo as well. When it goes up, you have here the camera module, and you can see there's only two cameras here, which are AI cameras as well. Now, towards the side bezel, you'll be greeted with the volume rocker. Of course, you have your power button here, and then down below, your USB port, speaker grills, and a 3.5mm jack here. On the opposite side of the power button, of course, is where you can find your SIM card tray with the micro SD slot as well. Now, the Realme C11 has a large 6.5-inch HD Plus display. It also houses a small mini drop notch here at the center. This actually opens up your screen more so you can get more out of your viewing pleasure. Now, what I love about the screen of the Realme C11 is that for a basic phone, you actually get a really large display area. The chin isn't actually as big as a lot of the other entry-level variants from other brands. Now, as you can see, the Realme C11 also runs with the Realme UI and is also running on Android 10. Now, as far as internals are concerned, the Realme C11 runs on MediaTek's Helio G35. Reportedly, this is the first phone that actually uses that chipset. Now, the configuration that we got has 2 gigs of RAM and 32 gigs of internal memory. Of course, it is expanded to 256 via a micro SD card. So what can you actually do with the MediaTek Helio G35 and in this configuration? So you can open a lot of your communication apps. If you need to browse the web, you can do that as well. View a lot of videos, it's fine. Play some games. Not everything is going to run as smoothly as you would want it to be. Of course, this is a very basic phone. Again, the purpose of this is for those who need the bare necessities without shelling a lot of money. And to be honest with you, because of distance learning happening, this is actually quite an ideal phone to get. You don't need to splurge a lot, and with a really big display, it's easier for you to consume a lot of media and your lessons online. Now, for those who need to do one-on-one video calls with your professor or your instructor or whoever, there is a 5 megapixel front-facing camera here. It does have a couple of AI functions like AI Beauty, HDR, and panoramic view. Now, for the rear camera, just because this is a basic phone does not mean that Realme is going to hold out on features. You do have a 13 megapixel main and a 2 megapixel bokeh camera as well. This actually also has night mode or nightscape mode, so you can take photos better during low light situations. Now, all of these features would mean absolutely nothing if your phone cannot keep up with you. Luckily, the Realme C11 houses a whopping 5,000 milliampere hours of battery. That's really large for this price point. Again, the cost of this is less than 5,000 pesos. This should last you more than a whole day until you need to top up during the night. So why do we keep mentioning the distance learning thing? At this point, Realme really knows their customer and they really know how to configure the phone to suit the market's need. They also understand the current market climate and are looking for ways to create solutions to address all of those. In fact, this particular C11 is going to one student from the Young Focus Foundation that Realme is partnering with. So after we do a thorough review of the Realme C11, this particular unit is going to help someone out. And I think that's really big of Realme to do that. And that's it for this really quick unboxing of the Realme C11. Let us know in the comment section down below your thoughts on this phone and your thoughts on Realme and what they're doing for the community as well. If you like this video, do give us a thumbs up and share this video to your friends, to your family, or to whoever you feel that may benefit from watching this video. And with that, my name is Colin and I'll see you guys on the next one. Guys, please keep safe, keep healthy, and as always, keep on gaming.